Stole my financial future back with 5 rental properties that now generate over $8,000 monthly in passive income. Started with 0 real estate experience and a regular 9-to-5 job. Property 1 was a single-family home for $267,000 using an FHA loan with just 5% down. Lived in it first, then converted to rental, generating $800 monthly cash flow. This house hacking strategy let me get started with minimal money down. Property 2 came next, a triplex with conventional financing and 20% down. Cash flow jumped to $1,200 monthly. Now I had 2 properties spinning off $2,000 combined. Then COVID hit and I found the deal of a lifetime. Property 3 was a 4-unit building with seller financing at just 2.5% interest and only 10% down. Owner was desperate to sell. This beauty cash flows $2,400 monthly. Used accumulated cash flow from properties 1 through 3 to buy property 4, a 5-unit commercial building. No more begging banks for money when you have your own down payment fund. Added another $2,100 monthly. Final move was selling that first property for $320,000, a $53,000 profit. Used those proceeds to buy properties 5 and 6, 2 side-by-side triplexes. Total monthly cash flow now exceeds $8,000. Property management gets easier with experience and good systems. Tax advantages are incredible with depreciation and expense write-offs. 10 years later, I replaced my job income entirely. The secret was starting small, reinvesting profits, and scaling systematically. Real estate remains the most reliable path to true financial independence for regular people.